Welcome to this week's edition of App of the Week. Today I want to show you a Google Chrome extension called Remote for Slides. You can find it in the Chrome Web Store, and this is a very simple tool that will enable you to control your Google Slide presentations from a mobile device or from another laptop, but it does allow you to be mobile as you control your Google Slide presentation. Again, it's just remote for Slides. It's an extension. You can install it into your Chrome browser, and this will enable you to control your presentation. So let me show you how this works. So as you can see, I have a Google Slide presentation pulled up. And what I'm going to show you here is I'm also going to have a screen that shows a cell phone that I'm going to use to control my presentation. So what I'm going to do is on my Google Slide presentation, I'm going to click the button that says Present with Remote. And as I do that, down here at the bottom, I'm going to see, if I move my cursor down to the bottom, I'm going to see some options down here. One of the things that says here is Remote for Slides, and then it gives me a web address. I am going to go to that address on my cell phone. Okay, and then once I go to that address on my cell phone, I am going to insert a show ID. The show ID is right there. It is this ID number right there. So we want to make sure we enter that once we go to that URL. So I am going to now show I'm going to pull up my cell phone and I'm going to open up a web browser. So I'm going to go to Safari. I've already opened it up the browser, so you can see that that's the address that you would want to go to. So in there, you want to enter that code that was included in there in the presentation. I'm going to select Connect, and then now you're going to see two buttons for Next Slide and Previous Slide. When I press Next Slide, you'll see in the presentation it's going to proceed to the next one. I'm going to zoom out on the phone so you can see the presentation. As I click the button, it automatically goes to the next slide. I can hit previous one to go back to the previous slide, but it just gives me this quick control of my presentation. So that is the Remote for Slides Google extension. It's a free option inside the Chrome Web Store that will give you the freedom to be mobile and control your presentations.